Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to generate all possible permutations of a string using JavaScript. This technique is useful in problems related to anagrams, brute force algorithms, and combinatorial analysis. Let's dive in and see how it works. The problem requires us to generate all possible rearrangements of a string. We will achieve this using recursion, by taking each letter and formatting permutations with the remaining letters. We can break the problem into smaller, manageable parts. This function works recursively to generate all permutations. If the string has just 2 characters, it simply stops there. Otherwise, it iterates through each character, removes it, and generates permutations for the remaining string. Finally, it combines all possible arrangements. This function follows a structured approach. It first checks for small cases, then recursively generates permutations for longer strings. By breaking the problem down to smaller parts, we make the solution much more manageable. The function handles both letters and special characters. If the string has duplicate characters, those duplicates will appear in the final output, as shown in the second example. String permutations have many applications. They are used in anagram solvers, brute force password cracking, probability theory, and even AI models that require text analysis. Understanding permutations gives you an edge into solving many programming problems. In summary, we've implemented a recursive solution to generate all permutations of a string. While powerful, this approach becomes computationally expensive for long strings. Always consider performance before using this method in large-scale applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.